playing with your food.
Everybody should. That's like one of the things. So when Hillary, it's marshmallows. When Hillary and I did this, the head was still moving for like a few minutes after.
Do you chew
Yeah,
it? Or
if
you
you
swallow
want
it?
to, I mean,
Whatever. We'll see how I
I
do.
chewed the last one.
Cheers.
Oh, you're so brave. She's so brave. She's chewing it too. I didn't do mine yet. Oh,
I just ate
God.
dirt. That was literal dirt.
Okay,
There was
I
like
tell myself people
a very
eat.
distinct pebble inside.
Maybe it's because you didn't get the digested that's going out the butthole like mine. Okay.
Oh. That's really gnarly. I think maybe the mixture of the fires.
I couldn't chew it this time. I couldn't do it. There's just something about the texture. Last time I chewed
I
it.
chewed it like twice.
Okay. It's
And then felt a grain, a very big grain, and I just was like, can't do that.
alright.
Either I spit it out.
You've earned your way into Like, is it really alive, or is that just the muscle, like, you know?
Depends on your philosophy of life.
Right?
Because it's like